My dear viewers, today it is my sad duty to announce the death of my beloved cell phone, the LG K20 Plus. The LG K20 Plus was my indirect stockbroker, GPS guide, translator, and a quick portal to YouTube and Facebook. Like any senior, the LG K20 Plus was starting to show its age. It refused to run the Chase app. It also shut down on the Discover app. Its last act, before it died, was to film a meal delivered by Grubhub. After that, when I pressed the power button, the screen went black and the phone was lifeless. I changed batteries. I sadly got the same result. I want to thank my next door neighbor Mo, who works at Metro PCS. He helped me choose a new phone close to 8 p.m. I thought the store would be closed and my drive would be in vain. I have many apps to reinstall. I had to download a new alarm clock, which does not allow me to manually type in my time. I try to find a lesson in tragedies. That roughly $300 between the phone, the case, 2 battery cords, and taxes could have been spent to buy dividend stocks on Robinhood.com. I hope the $300 will instead help build up the Dearborn Heights/Dearborn community. I face a new day with a new cell phone. I hope the universe can give me the strength to get through the day without my LG K20 Plus. Thank you.